Hello everyone, today I have a delicious egg salad recipe for you. This dish can be served with bread or as a filling for sandwiches. Ingredients to prepare: 1 boiled egg, 3 small pickled cucumbers, diced, 1 tablespoon onion, diced, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, ½ teaspoon mustard, ½ teaspoon chopped parsley, a little salt and ground pepper. When the ingredients are ready, let's start making this menu together. In a mixing bowl, add boiled egg, onion, pickled cucumber, salt, ground pepper, mayonnaise, mustard and parsley. Use a spoon to stir all the ingredients until well combined. I served egg salad with whole wheat bread. Garnish with celery. It's delicious for sure. You should try it. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much.